I'm super excited to have you here with me today. If you know me, well, that's good. If you don't know me, no problem. Nice to meet you. My name is Victor. And today we are going to look at how we can do lifecycle assessment in SimaPro. First, a couple of words. Please be warned that everything I say in these videos are entirely my personal views. They do not reflect in any way where I volunteer and where I study. And you can share this work as much as you can. There's no problem with that, as long as you give proper credits. Please be respectful, and also that this is just my personal project and might not reflect your any perfection or what you're working on. So always keep in charge and check around what you're doing. Please do more rigorous study. This is just an indicator. If possible, get help from an expert of LCA. And also at the same time, you can do some consultation from your professors.